What's up, everybody? It is Friday, April 28th, and we are 2 weeks away from the launch of The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, the sequel to Breath of the Wild. And, I'm excited. So, I got something special today. We got the Tears of the Kingdom Switch. I've never done a proper unboxing. I don't know how to film it. I don't know what I'm doing. We're going to make something up. Game not included, unfortunately, because they decided to release the console 2 weeks before the game. Picked mine up today at Best Buy. So, let's get into it. I know there are tons of unboxings already on YouTube. Everybody's getting this right now. Everybody's excited for Tears of the Kingdom. But, I don't know. We're going to just try it. If you see this video, that means I liked what I did and I uploaded it. If you don't see it, I didn't like it. Ooh. Oh, yeah. This. Let's take out here's the actual system itself first. Sorry, I don't have multiple cameras to film this. So, the front, your typical Switch OLED now. The back, hopefully, I don't know how well this can be seen here. There are actually patterns on here. And it's not just, you can physically feel the texture of those. So that's pretty cool. And we got the gold Joy-Cons with the white backs. And the just stunning, absolutely stunning designs on the Joy-Cons themselves. And there's the backs. And they do have some symbols there. I'm not sure what those mean. And of course, we gotta show you the system, complete and handheld. I like that a lot. That is actually really nice. Set that down. Take this piece out. And of course, you get your standard charging cable, HDMI, and you know, we'll actually take out the grip. One, because I like to use those a lot. And two, let's put the Joy-Cons on there for a second, shall we? Ooh, that one's stubborn. That new Switch feel where the Joy-Cons don't want to let go. Alright. I like it. I like that a lot. These controllers are just gorgeous. And we'll take out the dock. I'm not going to be doing one of these crazy long unboxings that people do. Whoa. That is just insane. Wow. Let's put, obviously, the Switch. We'll show you the Switch in there without the controls first. You can see it barely sticks out. But what everybody really wants to see is what the controllers look like on the system in the dock. Wow. Oh, I'm even more excited for this game now. And I don't think I'll be using this system to play it. I have been a collector of the special edition consoles. In fact, this display case behind me is down a bunch. Now, maybe I'll get them to be here. I do have the Splatoon 3 OLED, the Animal Crossing Switch, the Mario Red, the Pokemon, the Smash Bros, and I believe the Monster Hunter. That's the one that... Yeah, if you want to see a whole video about all the different special editions, or some of the other stuff I collected a bunch of N64, stuff like that. If you want to see videos like that, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. I'd love to really get more into gaming things and maybe do some let's plays and all that. Trying to decide if I want to stream Tears of the Kingdom, if I just want to play it on my own time. I don't know. 2 weeks from now, who knows what's going to happen. So. Well, let me know if you enjoyed this video. This is a quick unboxing of the Tears of the Kingdom OLED Switch. Absolutely beautiful. One of the best special editions that they've made. I mean, it's just unbelievable. And this thing will be front and center on the display. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you next time.